Everyone, so this is my Dewalt table saw DWE7491RS, and this is the insert that came with it, but I find that these zero clearance inserts keep a lot more dust inside and allow my dust collector or vacuum dust collection to work better. But one thing I've noticed when using the splitter, I was missing my splitter, so I had to order a replacement. And I had to cut this out a little bit more. And what I found in the past is these break apart right here really easy. So let me show you a way I think will strengthen that so that this stays together a lot longer.